Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text like a man. Mastering this skill involves being direct and purposeful in your communication. Think of your texts as efficient tools, not lengthy novels. Aim for clarity and avoid ambiguity, ensuring your message is understood with minimal effort. This approach saves time for both you and the recipient, fostering more effective interactions. We'll cover 4 key principles to help you achieve this. When crafting your messages, focus on substance over fluff. A man's text often conveys confidence and a clear intent. Share something genuinely interesting or a direct question that invites a meaningful response. Avoid vague statements or endless back and forth without a clear direction. Remember, quality over quantity is key. One well-thought-out text is more impactful than 10 trivial ones. Aim for messages that are concise and impactful. Timing is crucial in effective texting. A man typically responds within a few hours, showing respect for the other person's time while also maintaining his own. Avoid the urge to double text if you haven't received an immediate reply. Patience is a virtue. Initiate conversations when you have a clear purpose, like making plans or sharing important information. This approach demonstrates confidence and avoids appearing overly eager or needy, fostering healthier communication dynamics. To text like a man, it's equally important to know what to avoid. Steer clear of sending multiple texts without a response, which can appear desperate. Resist the urge to write lengthy paragraphs. Keep it succinct. Avoid using an abundance of emojis or exclamation points, as this can dilute your message's impact. Focus on clear, direct communication, free from unnecessary embellishments or emotional overloads. This ensures your texts are always perceived as strong and purposeful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.